In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can easily blur the background of your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select your video here and let's go over to Effects, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects or press Shift 7. In Effects, we're going to search for Gaussian Blur. And then apply the Gaussian Blur to our video here. Now we're going to go to Effect Controls, and as you can see it has already blurred, and I don't want that because I want to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put this one to 0 for the moment. And then beneath this Gaussian blur you have this pen tool, and with this pen tool, make sure you're in the beginning of your video, I'm going to make a mask around my subject. And then when that mask is completed, we're going to go back to Effect Controls, and then here beneath the Gaussian blur we have Mask and Mask Path. We're going to click this stopwatch icon here and then press this play button. Now what the play button will do is it will begin automatically masking during the entire length of the video. And when Premiere is finished, I'm going to go back to the beginning of the video. Here in the Effect Controls we have the blurriness. I'm going to increase that blurriness, but as you can see it's now blurring out our subject. So I'm going to click this inverted icon here. So now we have our background which has been blurred, and then we're going to increase our feather to around something like maybe 300, and then mask expansion also to really lower those hard edges, and you can play around with this so it matches your video. And then now as you can see our background has been blurred. Really play around with that mask feather because it will make the blurriness, maybe something like this. It will make the effect better and make the blurriness around your subject also better without hard edges. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.